Reading a short English story.
Hello, welcome to my video. Let's practice short story reading. Rainy day surprise. I woke up to heavy rain pounding my window. The forecast wonders all week, but nothing prepares you for flooded streets overnight. I grabbed my raincoat and boots, ready to step outside. On the way to the corner store, I saw neighbors helping each other move furniture, carry groceries, and rescue pets stuck in water. By the time I got home, soaked but smiling, I realized even during storms, people's kindness shines brightest. That's all. Thank you. See you in the next video.